girl was too fly. They'd been together for a very long time when they felt the sense of change in the state of their mind. They had a true love, but they just didn't know how to talk to one another, so the feelings couldn't show. To each other they wouldn't devote. Had to ruin that rope, had to rock that boat. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Just relax and let it flow. If it don't fit, don't force it. Just chill out and let it flow.
You and I together, boy, we made a perfect pair. Till we got those ill feelings and played those games of truth and dare. Well, I'm not one to regret, but I know I did you wrong. And it's so hard to forget how you loved me all night long. I try to understand my feelings, why I ever play on you. In these days of danger, I really should be true. It ain't worth those silly chances to be a fool and number our days. From right now to forever, let's remember the simple phrase: don't rock the boat. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Just relax and let it flow. Don't rock the boat. If it don't fit, don't force it. Just chill out and let it flow. Don't rock the boat.
The girl wanted love that was gigantic, but love was wicked like the Titanic. Not just knee deep, it was totally deep. When the fire girl had stopped the key, her man who was rocking those freaks a horn. She said to herself, "What's wrong with that boy?" To each other we should devote. We love each other. Stop rocking that pole, 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 pole.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Just relax and let it flow. Don't rock the boat. If it don't fit, don't force it. Just chill out and let it flow. Foolishly I played the field to satisfy myself, but the true satisfaction comes from you and no one else. Ooh, you don't have to worry, because I feel the same way too. And I'll never touch another. Baby, I'm saving my love for you. Yeah. We were lucky that we found out in time. Now that we know the truth, sugar things will work out fine.
another so the feelings could share. To each other they wouldn't be full. Had to ruin that love, had to rock that love. The girl wanted love that was gigantic, but love was wicked like Titanic. Not just knee deep, it was totally deep. When the fire girl had stopped to keep her man who was rocking those freaks a horn. She said to herself, what's wrong with that boy? To each other we should